Very often I have a problem that I don't know which puzzle to get next. That's why I wanted to try puzzle subscription box for a while, and when I had a chance I didn't hesitate to get one. Hi there, this is the Puzzle Guy and welcome back to my channel. About a month ago I've got an email from Cifrare.com. They asked me if I want to try their puzzle subscription box, and my answer was obviously yes. And today I got this box and I'm very excited and I can't wait any longer to open it. Let's see what is inside this box. And inside there is a business card size paper which invites me to post an image in Instagram with Cifrare hashtag, and there is supposed to be a puzzle there, and yes, there is a Hanayama Delta puzzle. That is why I wanted to try this subscription box. I've never considered buying this particular puzzle, but now I have a chance to try to solve it. Before I will try to solve this puzzle, I want to tell you a little bit more about Cifrare.com. They have two different kinds of subscription. It's a starter level subscription. They have level 1 to 5 puzzles there, and master level subscription with puzzles level 6 to level 10. Also, if you want to try just one box, you don't want to buy subscription, they have invitation box. And if you use this code, you will have a 10% discount on your purchase. So let's try to solve this puzzle. It's the first time when I hold this Hanayama puzzle in my hands. So let's try to find how to solve it. There are 3 parts, as I can see, and as always with Hanayama puzzles, you have to take it apart and to assemble it again. And this puzzle is level 3 out of 6, so it's gonna be not very difficult to solve it. I hope so. So for now I can see that I can move them like this, and don't know how to move else, but I will try to find the correct orientation, how to take it apart. One goes this way. So actually there is like exactly the same moves of each part, and seems impossible to take it apart. And all those 3 pieces looks exactly the same. So I think that the solution is going to be like I have to find the right position of each part, and then they're gonna fall out at the same time. Okay, maybe one part is a little bit different. I have to take a closer look at each part. There is a Hanayama part, there is a Delta part, this one, and this one doesn't have any sign on it. So how to solve it? How to take it apart? Probably it's one of those coordinated motion puzzles where I have to have 3 hands to solve it, but I have to do it only with 2 hands. I like how these parts make small triangle inside, but I'm not sure if it has something to do with the solution. Yeah, like this. There's a small triangle inside. Okay, I think that I have an idea how to solve it, but I don't have idea how to execute this solution. Probably I have to rotate these parts and they're gonna disassemble. Okay, probably I found the way how to solve this puzzle, and it was about this small triangle inside the puzzle, and I think that now I'm on the way to disassemble it, but I think that it's stuck for now. But I made a pretty big move here, so it's almost done. Have no idea what I'm doing, but it makes this triangle smaller, and looks like when these three parts gonna touch the peaks, it's gonna fall apart. Maybe after disassembling I can find the secret of this puzzle. Let's see. Yay! It's done. Ooh, it took me about 15 minutes to solve it, to disassemble it. Now I have to try to assemble it again, and I think it's gonna be even more difficult. Or maybe I have just to push it a little bit and it's gonna be assembled. Oh my god, assembling part was very easy. So maybe the key to solve this puzzle was that I didn't have to keep it in my hands. Maybe it has to be on the table, and when it's flat it disassembles much easier. Yeah, that was the secret. I had to put it on flat surface, and that would make it much easier to solve. So very interesting puzzle. I never thought to buy this puzzle, but actually it is very nice puzzle. So if you like this Cifrare box, go check their website. I will put a link down in the description. And if you like my video, don't forget to like it, subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified every time I upload new video.